Hello everyone, hope you are enjoying your weekend. Hope you are having a lovely weekend. We are here today talking about our brilliant umnini. We all love umnini Nkosiyami. He is such a sweetheart. He is such an open book. Everyone loves him to bits. Like, he's that child that everyone will love in the family because he's loving, his personality, he's just full of joy and happiness. So the buzz recently, we saw him going for a job interview, saying Ubana he wants a job, he wants to work at a car dealership in Bryanston, because within a day all those cars will be gone. All Each and every car will be gone with his sales expectations. It's like, you guys, when you are selling these cars, you sell to them like as if you are begging them. You need to tell a customer, Ukbana, this is the last car, my boss. This is the last car, my big boss. If you don't take it, you'll never find this car again. It's like, people, you need to put all your impressions like on the highest level. Not, it's like, yes, he's looking for a job because he want. Oh, umnini Nkosi, he is such a sweetheart. Oh my gosh, he is such a sweetheart. He said that his main reason to want a job, he wants to have money so that he can buy gifts for his mom and dad. And all of this, that's what every child wants to do, to be successful, to be able to afford things for your parents. So that's his goals at such a tender age of, how old is Nin? Is it 10, 11? At such a young tender already, he's thinking of ways to make money. He's thinking already, he is job hunting, not small jobs. He wants to be out there. He wants to be a salesman. Already he wants to sell the whole cars that cost millions and millions. Imagine he actually gets that job and he actually sells those cars that are worth millions, which means he will definitely get his percentage. Guys, he is such a darling umnini. Like, he's so family oriented. I remember last time also you were saying that he's doing the recycling business thing because he wants to have money so that he can pay for his ice cream for him and his siblings. He's such a family oriented young man at a young tender of 10, 11. So imagine any child. I wish all the kids can have such open mindset and such goals that they want to dream big and do big for themselves, for their families. That shows that someone like Umnini will forever support his siblings, will forever support his family. We wish him good luck in his job hunting. We wish him good luck in his job hunting. Whatever that he wants to do, he will surely be successful. This is what actually brings pleasure to parents, to see your child trying out there. Let me know, what do you guys think about Umnini's job hunting? Don't forget